Hi, Noah. Can you show me where your eye is? Good. Can you show me where your nose is? Your nose? Point a little higher. Where's your nose? Nose. Good. Where's your mouth? Your mouth. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Very good. Hey, where's your ear? Where's your ear? Good. Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Good. Where's your feet? Good. Can you tell me what a sheep says? Good. Can you tell me what a cow says? Moo. Can you come here? Can you tell me what a dog says? Okay. Can you tell me what a cat? What does a cat say? No. Meow. Where are you going? Huh? Bye.